X5C is a poor video camera, no video stabilization. It gives you an idea of what it looked like where it was at, but there's really no reason to record video on the Syma X5. It adds weight, reduces your flight time, and so I pull the cameras off and the landing gear off. Doing that, the Syma is a great little quad to teach you how to fly a quadcopter. There's no altitude hold, there's no directional control, there's no anything except 6-axis stabilization. It'll hold level flight, but it'll teach you how to control a quadcopter, and maybe that'll help you get your expensive quad back one day. I have some pretty high trees at the place, and you'll see in a moment that I parked the Syma. One of my Symas on top of it. It took me 3 weeks to get it down after several rainstorms. I finally put my son up in the top of the tree, probably 30 feet high, with a 10-foot pole, and he was able to knock it out for me. When I got it back down after nearly 3 weeks in the sky, and through several rainstorms, I was really quite surprised. There was no damage to it. It ran just fine. I had to recalibrate it, but other than that, it's a very durable little toy. I would buy some extra gears, extra batteries, and maybe even extra fuselage, but this one I've had to put together with Bondek, and it works just fine. It's a great trainer. It's worth the $35, and I'd highly recommend it.